Welcome to The Priority Shift, a podcast dedicated to focusing on your true priorities, both personal and professional, using the 80-20 method. I'm your host, Christina Walker. Let's dive in. Episode 21, Why Vacations Are So Important. I have shared before that I was always planning out my vacation days well in advance, and I'm one of those that is looking at the holidays to figure out how do I maximize the time off and out of the office. My tagline for my travel business is ensuring that no PTO is left behind, because I have always felt strongly about it. Vacations take up so little of our time from the year, but they are usually the things that stand out and that you remember for years to come. I do not remember all the wins I have ever had at work, or even all the meetings that felt important at the time, but I can tell you about all the trips I have been on, and even the ones that I missed. This episode, I'm going to be highlighting a few personal trips and why I am glad I took them and what I learned from the ones I missed. The first one was the year that I was getting married. One of my best friends was living in Eastern Europe for work and had invited me and another friend to visit her for a long weekend. I had to decline the offer due to limited vacation days and the finances with the upcoming wedding. My other friend did decide to go on a 4-day whirlwind trip and had an absolutely amazing time. That trip was almost 10 years ago, and I still wish I would have done it. Those couple of days at work made zero impact on my life, but their photos and the fun that they had made a huge impact on their life, and they are still talking about it to this day. In 2024, my husband and I decided to visit Antarctica and do a 19-day cruise trip. We had put in our vacation with our management in January for a trip that was taking place in December. For me personally, most of the trip was going to be over our Christmas shutdown and made the most logical sense with minimum impact to the business while I was away. My manager at the time had so many runaround discussions about being able to approve something so far in advance. But having been a manager myself, I always took the responsibility that my team's vacation needs were more important than what the business needs may have been in the imaginary future. People need the time to rest and recharge, and to feel alive in life other than work. I am so glad that I took that trip after the back and forth with my manager. Until this point, it has been one of the most impactful trips I have ever taken. And for those wondering, nothing happened while I was needed that week while I was gone, and I had coverage just in case there was. The last one was when I decided to go to my cousin's wedding in Germany a few months after being suddenly laid off. It didn't feel right to spend the money, even if I had the time. But I am thankful for my husband and family's encouragement and that the reminder of the trip I had missed almost a decade before. The time was again pivotal for me. The stigma that can come in the US with losing a job unexpectedly didn't exist in Germany with my friends and family. Taking a career break and just sitting in the stillness was okay to do. I laughed with my cousins and family in ways I hadn't in a while. My cousin's wedding was beautiful, and now we have many more great stories. Like a reminder that weddings in Germany need to happen in the spring, fall, and winter when it's not 90 degrees with no air conditioning. I am sure that you have your own stories, the moments in time where things made such a profound impact on you that they stayed ingrained in your mind forever. The few moments that make the biggest impact, which is what 80-20 is all about. So here is my plea for you this week. Schedule that vacation even if it's hard, because those memories you are making will carry you on for years to come, not that spreadsheet that will be forgotten in 2 weeks. Thanks for listening, and make sure to leave us a 5-star review on your favorite listening platform, and share this with a friend, colleague, or manager. Find more info at PriorityShiftSolutions.com and reach out to Christina directly to get started with coaching and applying the 80-20 method.